Okay, so to clean the inside, the smell is overwhelming. I've taken out all the air fresheners. There's about 10 of them there. It's disgusting down the sides. This side, I've unbolted that seat. I've disconnected the battery and I've unbolted that seat. This one of the bolts has been rounded by somebody, so I'm going to leave this seat in because it's not as gross down this side, so it's not as hard to get to. And down the back, to move it forward, I can get to the bits that need cleaning, so that's fine. I've still got the 3 bolts disconnected though. I need to put those in, so I'm going to take that seat out. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so real squeeze down here. So what's the first thing? Disconnect disconnect the cable. How did you do that? There we go. Right, how do we get this out? Holy crap, it's worse than I thought. So let's have a look. Okay. So that's tobacco. All down the side. Oh my goodness, there's a 20p there. Can't focus on. That's all soaking wet. So hopefully the drain holes have been cleared. So that should dry. So let's start vacuuming. Oh look, there's a lighter too. Right, let's start vacuuming inside. That's got to have added £1,000, right? To the price. Oh my god, that was so gross. Right, I'm going to pray. I should be praying. I'm going to spray some carpet cleaner on here that I've just found in the house. Car carpet cleaner. While I then go and vacuum the other side. Right, I've got this upholstery and carpet cleaner. I'm just going to spray it on. In the particularly gross bits. Oh my god, the smell. Right, what do you do next? Shake hand while spraying to entire. Right, allow it to penetrate. I'm going to do that. You stay there while I go and vacuum the other side. Now, there is a lot of stuff here. Oh, firstly, I need to these clips. Not lose these. These are the ones with the grippers for the carpets. Now these mats, should I try and save them? I'm going to try and save them. I might just get some washing powder on them and brush it in on the floor outside and then hose them down and let's just see what happens. Oh look, there's a phone connector as well, which is really gross. I'm probably catching something. I should really be wearing gloves and a mask. Let's take this out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's not nearly as gross on this side, but it's still pretty bad. In the way. Okay, time to start spraying this side as well. I'll probably spray some more on that side, that is. Okay, so this stain here. This is a big one. This stuff smells strong. It's a 50p. Oh my goodness. There is £1.10 plus the 20p already. That's £1.30 already. This endeavour was totally worth it. Now, I haven't done the doors yet because they can wait.